Oh, look at that. Oh, the hail's getting bigger. Oh, look at those things. Okay, yeah, I'm gonna stay here. Wow. Okay, this is the best you're gonna get. I don't think I'm at the exact summit. I'm at... We're out here in Summerland, attempting to do the Mount Conkle full loop. We should have good navigation on this one because there's a tower like right there. But you're already kind of treated to a view, and we're not even a kilometer in yet. I feel like that's going to be Giant's Head there, but I've been wrong before. We're supposed to be overwatching that, or overlooking it. All trails took us to, I think it's called the Fenwick entrance. This will be the first time coming in from this side. It looks like it's got a crazy trail all the way up. There's a bit of a loop in here somewhere. So we'll have to check it out. Alright, let's switch it. Okay, we're still a kilometer in. It starts you off on a bit of a deserty, sagebrushy area. Looks like we'll be moving into more of the foresty area. It does have kind of a deserty vibe. Okay, so I don't know if you can see from there. But there's 3 bears in the tree. Mama's on the base.
They're not bothered by us, but I don't know that I want to get any closer.
Yeah. It looks like this here might be an alternative path to get up and past them a bit. I think I'd feel a little bit more secure about that.
Yeah.
But yeah, 2 cute little boo-boos in a tree, and Mama at the bottom.
Mom's just staring at us, she's not...
Okay, so Mama's watching us pretty intently. We did
Might be able to get a good view.
give her some more space. But yeah, she's a bigger girl. They're kind of cinnamony.
Yeah, one of them is definitely.
Workout pause.
I'm just going to move up a little bit further just to kind of
Workout resume.
give them the feeling that we're trying to get out of here and not to bug them.
Workout pause.
And definitely diverted our path, but so we took this
Workout resume.
secondary side trail. I don't think we've ever had a threatening bear encounter.
No, I haven't. I've had ones that are supposed to run away, and then ones like that.
Yeah.
I've never had one that's closer. I'd rather not.
You remember when we accidentally walked under one? But yeah, it's turning into a beautiful day. There's still a lot of cloud cover, but the ceiling was 3,600 meters last time I looked, which is higher than most of the mountaintops, so we shouldn't be socked in by cloud. Although we saw some belly scraping clouds over Okanagan Mountain on the way up. And it's a trail we're supposed to be on down there. Oh, beautiful. Keep your eyes open for coyotes, apparently. I don't know if they're ugly or not, or whether or not that matters, but apparently it does. So what have we got going on here? Trans-Canada Trail marker, of course. Summerland's beginnings. 1901, George Barclay's cattle ranch consisted of the most of the present-day Summerland.
Workout pause.
Here we are. There's Giant's Head Mountain. We're heading up to about here somewhere. Okay, let's check out this gazebo.
2 kilometers completed. Elevation 634 meters. Current speed 1.4 kilometers per hour. Average speed 3.2 kilometers per hour. Burnet calories 200.
Yeah, so that's a crazy gazebo on the side of the trail. Good spot for bird spotting, hey? Okay, well, let's just chill up for a minute, I guess. What is this one saying, though? Oh yeah, coyotes. We're hoping that this part of the trail is a little bit more bear-free. Ooh, look at that.
Kilometers completed.
3? Oh, okay.
Elevation 653 meters. Current speed 2.2 kilometers per hour. Average speed 3.3 kilometers per hour. Burnet calories 321 kilocalories.
Oh, further along than I thought. We took the trail marked ridge line or midline, and now we're up against Conkle. So this is going to take us to the top, and we should be able to loop back down. Oh. Can you see the creek way down there? You worry about kicking rocks off this bench accidentally. There's trails below it. They could probably build up a good speed by the time they hit the bottom. What do you think? Is that a shortcut out of here? We're still on the Conkle bunk. We passed 6 kilometers. We're about to hit a steepy little ridge with switchbacks. I don't think it's like horrible, but I think it'll be a bit of a climb to the top. From there will be relative striking distance to the top of the summit. You've got this bit of a long stretch to do, and then it's gonna
Workout resumed.
switch into some really tight switchbacks, and then it'll be a gradual but long final drag to the top. Oh. And yeah, this trail is held together by sheer will of rocks alone. By the feel of it, I do kind of want to get through this section a bit in case there's mountain bikers rolling through down. Look for the train now. We're still a ways from the top. We've got a good steep section to go. But once we're on top of the steep section here, we'll be on much more gradual level ground. But yeah, look at how all this is opening up.
Workout.
Here's where the view is opening up on this side. Oh wow. Of course, you have Okanagan Lake way out there. Okanagan Mountain with the 2 towers there. Look at this naughty old tree. It's all that pattern in that wood. What that grain underneath must look like. A little pocket view. Oh, isn't this kind of neat? Oh, a tremendous view. On the other side, it's a little bump here. Don't want to step on too many wildflowers. Oh, look at that.
Workout pause.
Yeah, we're definitely on a mountain heading to the top. I feel like that's Giant's Head. The two mountains are separate from each other.
Workout resumed.
That one's another one you can climb. But yeah, we're getting up there. We're 8 kilometers in. We're 900 and some odd meters up. Oh. Whew. So we still got a ways to get up to there, but this is the view we have here. That's
Workout pause.
Trout Creek down there. The creek we're right next to. So right here, that blue looking top there, I think that's the train station. What do you think, getting high? I think pretty soon we'll be hiking along the cliff edge. We're kind of at part of it, but you can see there's a bump there. That's our final destination. Still feels like a long way to go, don't it? Here we are up at the top. It says that the summit's a little bit further away, but that'll be Giant's Head. Good view. We're pretty much at the summit, the highest point. We're gonna find a view spot up here. Viewpoint to stop and relax. That'll be the 3 or 4K back to the car. Not too bad. This is kind of pretty up in here. Oh, little pygmy nuthatcher. Oh, there goes a bird. Whew. What a view, hey? We came to the big log that used to have the Tibetan flags on them. There was no shade to be had there, so we took this side down. I ran out of battery right at the top there, but yeah, I hope I grab some of it. Oh. Holy Moses. How much up does there need to be? Holy cripes, man. That sucked. Oh, I feel it in the legs. Ooh. Oh yeah. So that's the peak where we came from.
Workout paused.
All the way down that ridge. In between here, up and over this guy. Now this is supposed to sweep us back into the valley. So we'll see if that happens or not. Huh. Perfectly framed tree. Paint a picture behind that. So that's the other side of Giant's Head. Whew. He's not just a dealer, he's a distributor too. Look at this tree stump here. Once we're pretty much clear of the switchbacks, there's a long straight draw and then another tight switchback. And then we'll be connecting to the KVR trail we came in on. And we might just take the higher pass back again. Get out of bear country. Look at that view.
"12 kilometers completed. Elevation 886 meters. Current speed 2.9 kilometers per hour. Average speed 3.3 kilometers per hour. Grandad calories 1,279 kilocalories.
You make gin out of those. God, the colors in here. Beautiful out here though. Gotta help balance a post somehow. Oh, that's pretty though. Look how pretty it is out here. The yellow flowered stuff I think is rabbit brush. squish. Oh, Okanagan Mountain out there.